A new car is coming to Asphalt line. Today I will show all the information about it. With no more delay, let's get into it. First, let's have a look at this car. This is the car in real life. Some people said this car is like a hearse. However, I don't really think so, because this car can't even put a whole body at the back. Let's see this image. You see, the person can't get into it. Wait, why is even more similar to a hearse? Next is the stat sheet. This car will be a Class D car. The top speed is 233.3 km per hour. The acceleration is 52.9. The handling is only 39 and the nitro is only 17 points. I'll say, except for the top speed, this car is nothing good. So when and how will this car appear? Now let's watch the trailer and you will know about it.